Yeah, my recording shut down again, so yeah, if you didn't hear me in my last video, I think I came out of this 34 and 12. And hi guys, I keep on spawning right here. It's stupid, but I throw my subtext over there. I don't know how that didn't kill him, but I ended up getting an assist. Okay, there's a guy that comes up through right here. I don't know how, I'm not complaining with it, I'm just wondering how was that headshot. But here was kind of a little rescue moment. I'm securing C. I secured C right here. There's a guy that's coming through that tunnel right there. Right there. See, I don't manage to kill him, but he goes around there. There's a guy right there, and look, see, I managed to kill him while I'm stunned. Then I throw down my Juggernaut right there. I get killed from behind, so I'm just like rushing. I don't want to die. I just want to get there, so I'm just gonna kill everything in my path. To get him, I'm just running.
Securing Alpha.
I want to get to my Jug. I almost died too trying to get to it. Like, I almost killed myself. Kill him, and I get it. And once I got this, it was pretty much over for them. They can't do crap anymore. See, I'm in my Juggernaut, and I just like using the pistol a lot. And so far, I believe there's a guy in that house that has tactical assertion. I don't know, this could have been another game. No, wrong game. Solitaire Strike can't kill me. I thought there was a... Yeah, it's not the video. Never mind. Kill that guy. But I'll admit, I was a bit of campish in this game. See what lag does. I threw down my smoke grenade because I was pretty sure I was gonna die. They throw grenades down at me like hell with Juggernaut. And look at it, that guy tried to rocket launch me. Fail.
The enemy is jamming our radar.
But I'm not too sure. I think
UAV online.
yeah, I see. Watch.